What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about how to split your Safari browser. Now, as you guys know, that splitting or just dividing a page into two parts can help you in a tremendous way to do some of the different work at the same time. Now you simply can do this process into your Safari browser. Here is how you can do it. Now, before you go ahead and do it, guys, I just want to give you a simple recommendation to go ahead and update your iPad to the latest version for being able to use these features. Now, to do this process, the first work you need to do, just open up your Safari browser and just open up two websites that you probably want to split up with, okay? Now, first I'll open up this website, for example, then I'll tap plus, I'll add another website here, and then simply just look at this section. Just go ahead and tap and hold your section from the top, and you actually can drag it on your screen. Okay, now just go ahead and just come to a corner and simply leave it right there, and then you'll be able to see the both page will be in a different section. Now here, as you guys can see, that we're using the Microsoft Bing search engine, and here we're actually in the Apple website. So here, as you guys can see, let me just go ahead and do a little search here. Let's say iPad, and here you'll be able to see the different thing from here. Okay, so here, as you guys can see, I'm actually browsing through this Apple website as well. So this is how simple and easy is that to do a split screen on your Safari browser. So this is how you can do it. Now, after you have just done doing your work, if you want to just close one of those, you simply can drag it to either right side or to the left side. Okay, so this is really simpler than you might think. Now I'll just drag it to the left, and the browser, the other split screen, will be closed right after this. Okay, this is how you can use the split screen on your Safari browser, and this is how you can get rid of one of those split screen view from your Safari browser as well. Hope this video is useful. If you think so, just let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you guys later.